Good morning, students. Welcome to LP Savani Riverside School, Daboli, Surat. Standard 9, chapter number 12, Heron's formula. In this chapter, in previous lecture, we have already learned about exercise 12.1. In this chapter, we have to learn about exercise 12.2. In 12.1 exercise, we understood about how to use the formula to solve the problems like find the angle of the triangle and find the area of the triangle. In exercise 12.2, question number 1, a park in the shape of quadrilateral ABCD has angle C is equal to 90. AB is equal to 9, BC is equal to 12, CD is equal to 5 meter and AD is equal to 8 meter. How much area does it occupy? Solution: ABCD is the park as shown in the figure. Join BD. So in triangle DBC we have DB square is equal to BC square is equal to CD square because of Pythagoras theorem. Here angle C is given as a 90. Hence we use DB square is equal to BC square plus CD square in the equation. Then after DB square is equal to BC square, BC here that is a 12, so 12 square here. Then after CD square, CD is equal to 5 here, so CD square that is a 5 square. Then after next DB is equal to 144 plus 25, that is a 169 over here. So DB is equal to under root 169. So square root of the 169, that is a 13 meter. So triangle ADBC, that is a 1 by 2 multiplied by base upon height. In this ABCD, put the value of the base. Here you can see that base is 12 and the height of that triangle DBC, that is a 5 meter. I said base and height because this triangle is, we can draw look like this. Here the angle C, here angle D and here angle B. So in this way you can say that this is the base and this is the height. Okay, so by using this formula 1 by 2 in the multiplication, 12 multiplied by 5 meter square, that is a 30 meter square. Use that values in the triangle ABD. A is equal to, we have already learned about the, we already find out the value of DBC from the Pythagoras equation and 1 by 2 base into height by this triangle DBC. Then after next we have to find out the value of the area of this ABD. So in triangle ABD, A is equal to 9 meter, B is equal to 8 meter and C is equal to 13 meter. Then after use the Heron's formula to find out the area of triangle ABD. So S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2. A is 9 meter, B is 8 meter and C is 13 meter. So 9 plus 8 plus 13 divided by 2, that is a 15 meter. Area of triangle ABD, that is a S into S minus A, S into S minus B and S into S minus C. So here the semi perimeter is equal to minus 15 meter. So minus 15 into 15 minus A, 15 minus B, and 15 minus C over here. So 15 minus A, that is a 9 meter. 15 minus B, that is a 15 minus 8, that is a 7 meter. And C, 15 minus 13, that is a 2. So in this way you can find out that under root 1260 meter square, that is a approximate 35.5 meter square. So this is the approximate area of the triangle ABD from the question. Okay, so we find out the area of two triangles DBC and triangle ABD. We have to find out the whole area of this parallelogram type figure. So area of that park is, we can find out with the help of area of DBC plus area of ABD. Put that value in this equation. Area of DBC, that is a 30, and area of ABD, that is a 35.5, that is a 65.5 meter square. Okay, in this way you can find out the area of the park. Then after question number 2, find the area of quadrilaterals ABCD in which AB is equal to 3 centimeter, BC is equal to 4 centimeter, CD is equal to 4 centimeter. Then after DA is equal to 5 centimeter and AC is equal to 5 centimeter. These all the indications are indicate in this figure. Let's first of all we have to take triangle ABC. Here triangle ABC, you can see that here AC is equal to 5 centimeter, AB is equal to 3 centimeter, BC is equal to 4 centimeter, and triangle ABC we have AB square plus BC square. Here AB square, that is a 3 centimeter, BC square, that is a 4 centimeter square. So 3 square plus 4 square, that is equal to 25. So the 5 square, that is a 25. So here triangle ABC is the rectangle, okay, right angle at point B. Then after area of triangle ABC, so area of triangle ABC is equal to 1 by 2. This is the base and this is the height. So area of triangle ABC is equal to 1 by 2 base and height. So base is equal to 3 and height is equal to 4. So base into height, that is a 6 centimeter. Then after in triangle ACD, so triangle ACD is equal to A is equal to 5, B is equal to 4, and C is equal to 5 centimeter. So semi perimeter of the triangle is A plus B plus C by 2. So 5 plus 4 plus 5 by 2, that is a 7 centimeter. So area of triangle ACD, that is a S into S minus A, S minus B, and S minus C. So S is equal to 7, S minus A, that is 7 minus 5, S minus B means 7 minus 4, S minus C, that is 7 minus 5. So 7 into multiplication 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2, that is a 7,232 centimeter. Then after next, the multiplication of this four terms, that is a 84 centimeter square, and that is a 9.2 centimeter square approximate. Okay, so area of the quadrilateral is equal to area of triangle ABC and area of triangle ACD. So make the summation of these two terms. 6 plus 9.2, that is a 15.2 over here. Okay, in this way you can solve the any kind of triangular problem. Thank you so much.